It's a great idea, the aspect of home visits, because the child spends majority of his or her time at home. This aspect of understanding the ecosystem of how are they growing, where are they growing, what are the influences, what are the parents feeding them, where are they sleeping, what do they watch, what do they consume. I think that's very important for a holistic curriculum. Yeah, I think that adds a lot of value. We were also surprised when this request came to us, but we have already been part of many home visits now, and I think it's a beautiful thing where the school is putting in so much effort to understand what the child actually is going through holistically, and subsequently that results in a better curriculum and better upbringing for the parents as well.
They go deep in understanding that when they come to the home, which is twice a year, they go very deep in understanding what is the routine of the child, what time he gets up, what he likes to eat, what are the vegetables, what are the fruits, what are the toys he's playing at home, what are the books he's engaging with. If he's watching even cartoons or YouTube, what are the channels he's engaging with. It is about knowing the child in and out, and that's the beauty. They don't just leave it at school, they do it full 360 degree. And I'm really, really thankful that I found this school. I'm just so thankful to the whole team of Eklavya early years, because the kind of growth, the kind of independence that we have seen our boys have, it's amazing. Especially the way the school ethos is, which is so different from any of the schools that I've heard of. We did visit a lot of schools in Bangalore before coming to Eklavya, and one of the things that we loved about this school was that they believed in right from the admission, before the admission, they actually spent so much of time with us to make us understand the philosophy, the ethos, what they stand for, and after that the orientation that they did with us, me and Sandeep, which was spectacular. The ethos, the belief of the school is that, what is the outside environment, the inside environment, the children is at the center. So what they're teaching at school, what the child is performing at home, everything has to come together, because end of the day, each one present in the child's life is responsible for the way the child actually flourishes in life. So that is the beauty of Eklavya. No any school that I have heard of or where my kids were earlier, they gave so much of attention.
A few things about the kids. I think what is the one thing that I really like about the kids, they're both grown up as individuals here. See, we are parents of twins, and it's a different ballgame. They're two different individuals is something that the school, firmly told us, and that's something that it's a coordinated effort from the school and the parents, right? To give an example, Savit is somebody who's very, very independent. He's very confident. He's very curious. But at the same time, Shlok is extremely creative. He's very sensitive. He cares for people. Those are qualities which have beautifully come out, I think, once they've joined Eklavya. I love the aspect, or rather, we love the aspect of home visits. We love the aspect of the attention to detail. We love the aspect of parents' workshop, which happens every fortnight.
That is very unique. If any other parent of my building come to know of it, they're like, what is parents' workshop? It's actually they take you through in detail. It's not that they rush through. Every second Saturday of the month that we meet, what they will teach your child for the next 15 days. And who does that? I mean, I have not heard of it, nor that it happened with me when I was a child.
I think the wonderful aspect about the teachers is, they are blessed with infinite patience. These are young kids, and it's sometimes overwhelming, but there's not been a single incident or an instance where we've felt the aspect of patience is lacking. It's a very safe and secure environment. You will be amazed that both our kids happily go to school and happily come back from school.
So immense patience and immense care is given. I think they care so much that it sometimes surprises us. The care is so sweet and so thoughtful, as much as right from potty training them, as much as how they making sure they finish their tiffin. Literally, my kids have started eating on their own, which is so great. Generally that's the first independent thing as a mother I noticed after they join Eklavya, and I'm so thankful to the teachers, because a lot of hard work goes through that, I'm sure.